Welcome to this brief demonstration for the new Madness Combat Wiki. In this video, I will be demonstrating how we can easily import articles from Fandom Wiki, as well as fixing images and other media embedded on the page. Here we are at the home page. As you can see, we have a variety of options to help navigate to the articles you may want to find. Alternatively, you can either click to open the sidebar, or hit the / key to open the search menu. And as you can see, we have a beautiful thumbnail to represent each article to make it easy to spot what you're looking for. Here we are in the weapons category, and this is displaying all weapons from the official animated series. As you can see, when mousing over links to articles, we get a preview of the first paragraph, as well as an image, if one is present. So I'm going to go ahead and open the article for the Uzi Pro, and demonstrate how we fix the missing image for this article. Going over to Fandom Wiki, we can use a pre-made image, or if the quality of the image is of low quality, we can opt to replace it with our own. There are two ways to upload an image file. For this example, I'm just going to directly upload it into the article itself, and then delete it. Keep a note of the file name that the window displays, as this is the information we need to keep for the next step. As the image has been added into this weapons template, making it difficult to select and delete, we will enter the code view to make it easier. And here we are going to copy the file name, so we can paste it in place at the top of the page. And just that easily, the image is now fixed. As we can see, this is a non-transparent image and looks out of place, so this is a file we can update at a later time. The preview links for this page will automatically update with an image after a short period of time. For this next example, I will be showing you the basic steps to export and import articles. For this example, we will use the railgun. All we need to do is add the text "Special Export" just before the article name in the URL, and it will take us to an XML copy of this page. Press Ctrl and S to save the page, then go back and save the image. Now we will go to the new wiki and search for Special Import. Select the downloaded XML file and copy the prefix as the same name. And just like that, everything is copied over. Now just to fix this image as we did last time. Copying that file name and then deleting it out of the article. And for those who may not be a fan of light mode, we have a built-in dark mode, which is my personal favorite. Looks like this link to Madness Combat is broken. Let's fix that by going to Edit. Select the text and simply correct the article's name. As some of these articles have been changed in order to have a bit more structure than Fandom Wiki, some of these articles have changed name and will need correcting. For my last showcase, I'm going to demonstrate importing a tribute character article. For this example, I will be using Kelzad, and because this is a fringe case, the author also goes by the same name, and we will have to adjust the naming of these articles so they can coexist. Simply export the XML by using that special export feature, and let's attempt to import this. And as you can see, the article already exists for the author's name, so we are unable to import this article. I'm going to change the location from main temporarily. This isn't an issue as we can now move and rename this article to be clear. Before we do this, I'm going to fix this template for the character information panel so it displays correctly. and we will also add a temporary image in its place. We need to add the correct tag to this article so it displays with the other tribute characters. That's better. Now to move the article, we simply use this drop-down menu, select Move, relocate it back to Main, and change the name with another word at the end. And make sure we don't leave a redirect behind. Just going to make this nicer with parentheses. And now we can do the same thing with the author page. The search can take a few moments to update. That's better, much cleaner. Well, this has been a brief look into what goes into the new Madness Combat Wiki, and we can't wait to show you more at a later date. If you would like to apply to manage articles for the Wiki, you can email wiki@madnesscombat.com. Keep on truckin'.